Today we're gonna do a YouTube video. My name's Emily. Today we're gonna unbox Bluey's playset. Do you want to see what characters it comes with? Yeah, I think so too. It comes with a kangaroo, Bingo, Bluey, Rusty, Indy. That's what it comes with. So let's start opening it, guys. Are you ready? Open it that way. Let's keep opening it. This playset comes with a swing and it can go really high up. Whoa, that was cool. Here's a slide. Whee! This is a slide, see? Look, see? Climb, 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 climb. This is a bench. If you want to take a break or sit down or relax. This is a seesaw. Seesaw, seesaw. Okay, so now let me show you the characters. This is Bluey, see? Nina, Nina. This is the kangaroo. See, guys? Her name's Indy. and she wagged her tail. Here is Rusty. He's a dog. And he wags his tail. This is Bingo. It's kind of a Bluey sister. Bluey's a girl, Bingo's a boy. She can walk around. So, see all our stuff now, guys? So would you like to start playing? Yeah! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Okay, so let's start playing, guys. Here's the phone can be over here. So let's get playing, guys. You want to see what this is? This is a seesaw. See, guys? Okay, so let's get playing. Who do you want to play with first? Bluey, Bingo? Yeah. Let's start playing. Do. We are the first ones here. You want to play? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Hi, Indy. Would you like to play with me?
Oh, sure. What do you want to play?
I was thinking we could go down the slide.
1, 2, 3, go! Whee!
Ooh, that was awesome. Okay, my turn.
Yeah, your turn. Climb up the ladder.
Whoa!
No, look.
I think that was a 10. Yeah, you're up.
I'm gonna fall on my feet this time. Boink.
Whoa, that was a high flip. How'd you do that?
I know, let me show you. Wait, so I climbed up the ladder, and then I put my feet sitting down, and then look, I go like this. Whee!
Wow, let's see if I can try that. Hey, can I try?
Sure!
All right.
Do you want me to help you? So climb up the ladder.
I'm gonna try. Ready?
That's not a high jump as me.
Oh, yay! I landed on my feet.
Well, see this, guys? Boink, boink, boink. Boom, boing, boing.
Hey, Bingo.
What?
What about we go on the swing?
Okay. I think I want to go first, okay?
Okay. Hey, Bingo, you mind if I push you?
Yeah, I want you to push me.
Okay, let's go. Come around. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! You're going mighty high.
Oh, got it. A piece. A paper plate for Rusty, a paper plate for Bingo, and a paper plate for Indy. There you go, and a paper plate for me. Slice for me, slice for you, and a slice for you, and a slice for you. Let's eat. Yum, 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 yum.